channel. It's your girl Dom So Bad, aka Deanna Nicole, and today I am coming to you with the Watch Me Work video. So tomorrow I have a client and I am doing knotless braids on her. So this video is gonna go step by step on what I do, how I prep for my clients, and she is getting some real dope colors, y'all. Like, I'm super excited about this project. Her hair, y'all, her hair is like silver at the root, and then it goes into the pretty rose gold color. So I got the colors silver and rose gold. So right now all I'm gonna do is like an ACV rinse, because we want to get all that debris and everything up off the hair. So I'm gonna show you exactly what products I use, how I go about doing it, and we gonna see this sauce real quick. You know, we gonna spice it up. We gonna show you how I just put the on my clients, period. So y'all just keep watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're gonna hop straight into this video. So I went to my local beauty supply store and I purchased the Expressions Ultra hair in rose gold. And I couldn't find a shorter inch because she wanted it mid-back, but I ended up getting the 52-inch because that's all that they had in the store. Also, I will be using the other color, which is a silver color. I know the camera's a little blurry, but it's the number 60. And I am going to show you all the products that I use to do this ACV rinse. So I am going to use the Honey Cream by Design Essentials shampoo. And then as for the conditioner, I will be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey. And also the other product that I will be using will be the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. And when I tell y'all, Dr. Bronner's is the truth when it comes to cleaning and everything. I even wash with it, y'all, even put it in my hair, everything. So y'all make sure y'all purchase a Dr. Bronner's shampoo. And I also will be showing you that I will be using the apple cider vinegar for this ACV. And make sure you get the mother. I know it's another brand, but I'm not sure of exactly what brand, but either or should be fine, just as long as it has the brand of the mother. So now I'm just gonna fill up the sink with lukewarm water, and I just want to make sure that I bring it up to a certain height so that all my bundles can be covered and saturated within the solution that I'm about to make for cleaning these bundles. And then you'll see me take the silver, and then I'm going to take the rose gold and put it inside the water. And prior to me doing this, I did put a little bit more apple cider vinegar first before I put the bundles inside the water, just to let you know. And then I took some more apple cider vinegar and put it on top of my bundles. After I put that apple cider vinegar on top of my bundles, I put the Dr. Bronner's peppermint shampoo inside and kind of lather up the bundles just to make sure they're nice and covered. Then I take that Design Essentials and put it all in between there as well, just so it can still have a little type of like soft touch feel to it, because you know when you're doing this ACV rinse, it's getting all that debris and chemicals out. And I also put that honey cream conditioner in there as well. And y'all, I'm just pretty much saturated, going through each bundle one by one and just making sure I get everything all nice and clean for my client, so she won't have any type of irritation or anything when I install the hair. So pretty much I let the rinse sit in for about 30 minutes, and then I will begin to drain the water out. So as you can see, it really wasn't that much debris or residue on the hair, which is a great thing, y'all. So I definitely would recommend this brand. And now all you do is you're going to see me just rinse out the bundles real good, and making sure that I get all the shampoo, the conditioner, the apple cider vinegar, and that peppermint shampoo out. Then I am going to get a hanger, and I am going to put the bundles onto the hanger, and I'm going to let it air dry so that later on tonight I can begin to mix and load the hair onto the rack. Hey y'all, so it's literally probably like 12:30, 12:40 at night. today, so that's why I just now started to separate his hair. Show me your hair. Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all see her hair. So
knotless, of course.
Yes, knotless. Turn around for him. Show him. Yes. Period. Period. Okay. So pretty much what I'm gonna do now, like as far as me prepping her hair, as you seen when I did the ACV rinse earlier today, and it kind of dried. It's still a little damp, but it's not too bad, so that's good. And I am going to spray it with my braid sheen spray. And I'm gonna go like this. So it's nice and soft, and I'm pretty just much finna start separating it. So I'm gonna go and just take pieces and separate. I'll just separate it. So yeah, so that's all I'm doing. And then I'm gonna separate it like a couple times just to make sure that it's nice and mixed up. And then once I kind of go back and forth with it and kind of get it mixed up together, I'm gonna take this denim brush. I'm gonna show y'all my denim brush. So simply just take it like that. Take this denim brush and kind of comb it and straighten it out just a little bit. There you go. Alright, and that's pretty much, I'm gonna continue prepping. I'm gonna load it up on this rack. So yeah, y'all will see the results after I finish mixing them.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
right. Turn around. Yes, yes. Flip it in the back. The length, the color, come back a little bit so they can get into this color. We'll get into this color real quick. Lift it up in the back. Show those parts, how lightweight. Yes, period, sis, period. Turn around. Who did your hair?
Deanna did.
Yes, I did. Period. Okay.